Alright, so in this next video we are going to put the mattress in those little headrest, backrest things. Okay, so in my top view I'm going to go to extended primitives and make a chamfer box. And let me look at the picture. Okay. One more time. Alright. Like so. Automatically give it that gray material. And bring it up. If I look at this, it looks like it comes down. It's more sharp at the bottom. Just easy enough to fix. Alright. I'm going to give it some segments here. I'm going to give it about 6 and 6 this way. So help us get a little better look of it. As far as the fillet is concerned, I don't know, something like that, I suppose. Right click and convert it to an editable poly. Go into the left view here, select the polygons on the bottom here and delete that. Center up the pivot. Alright, now we have that. I'm now going to put a FFD box. Number of points, I think I'm going to up it to 6 in length and 6 in width, and none for the, just 2 for the height, I guess. Something like that will work. Going to the top view here, look at this. Kind of looks like it's squeezed in from the inside a tad. I'm going to take, oops, I'm going to select these control points and scale actually these in right here. Something like that. Something like that a little bit. Alright. I don't want it to be exactly flat on the top. I want it kind of like, you know, kind of make it just a little bit different here and there. Okay. Look at it from this view. And we can definitely work on this later in a sculpting package to make it look a little bit, you know, give it some wrinkles or folds or whatever, if we want to do that. Maybe some divots here and there. Just take this like so and kind of push that down, kind of like in the center here where they sleep. Alright, something like that'll work. I'm actually going to push this forward a little bit more. Look at that. Make it just a little bit higher up. Something like that. There we go. A little more comfortable now. Alright, in the side view here, I'm going to create a box. Something about like that. In the front view, look at this picture again. make it kind of like this. Give it the gray material. F4 so I can see what I'm doing. And this is basically what I'm going to make right here. This will be a little bit wider. Something like that. Alright, I'm going to convert it to an editable poly now. I'll come along here, start connecting some edges, slide this up to here, click OK, ring select that, and slide that about right there. I'll take these polygons on the back that won't be seen and delete those. Take this and kind of make it like that. Alright, so we have that. Let's kind of look at this really quick. It has like this little swooping effect here, this rounded effect. So let's add that in there. Go to the side here. I'm going to put a few more in here. About 3 should do it. Okay, with this I'm going to kind of round this off. I'm going to take all of these, just this through here, kind of round that off like that. That looks good. Alright. We'll slide this down just a tad. If I were to add a turbo smooth to this now, you'll see that it's kind of okay, but a little bit too, it doesn't have any sharp edges. You know, you at least need something sharp right through here. So what we're going to do is just go back here, along here, make sure I've rung that, and do a connect of 2. Put the pinch about like that. 93 should do it. And if we show the end result now, we've kind of got that going on, which looks pretty good to me. Because there's no back here, we'll automatically stay flat right there, or sharp anyway. Using the wrong words here. And we have something like that. Which is exactly pretty close to what we want here. A little more of a rounded top would be good, I guess. Oops. Put that up some. Looks pretty decent to me. I'm gonna have to get it exact, but that's pretty close. I'm going to call this bed underscore backrest 01. Turn the iterations down on it, render iterations up to 2. And I'm going to shift drag out another copy. Go to my front view so I can kind of get it around the same area. Okay. I'm going to take these tape measures now and just delete them, get them out of here. I'm going to bring this whole thing over, line it up right there. Do it one more time. I'll line it up with the grid point here in the middle. It's pretty close. Alright, so now we have the bed, the bed frame done, we have the mattress, we have the little backrest going on. Let's look here. Close this down and look what else we're missing. Really the only thing left is like the pillows and the little blanket right here. Some little, you know, lamps and knickknacks that might go on this part, but we can look at that in a little bit. I really like these dressers right here, especially this one right here, so we might make that in the next video as soon as it comes up. and put it kind of towards the other wall, so we'll have something to put over there. Really very simple design. I like it a lot. So let's save our work. File, save as. You can see I made a new folder, called it bedroom. And here we'll say 2 and mattress, and hit save. So in the next video we'll continue on with the bedroom.